This week at Touchstone, we're making paper with veterans. They're bringing in their uniforms, and those uniforms will be processed down into paper using a centuries-old technique. And we then make prints and books out of that paper. Veterans, family members, artists all come together at a table and transforming uniforms into paper. It's fun to show people the paper making process, and they jump right in, get the hang of it, and then they want to do it at home. So they start asking questions of how they can do that. After I got out of the Army, a friend of mine showed me how to make paper out of my uniform, and I really enjoyed the process. Started with a small group of veterans, making paper out of their uniforms, and eventually we just started to travel around and teach other veterans and family members how to make paper out of uniforms.
I found out about this through my art therapist, and we thought it was a good idea, so we signed up. Having my mom by my side, she's actually my caregiver through the VA, so we've been through the thick and thin together, so to enjoy a week, kind of just getting away and doing something different, it's been very fun. We all kind of know what struggles we've been through together. It doesn't matter kind of what war it has been. We all go through the same thing, so it's just kind of just talking to friends and old friends.
When it comes to working with veterans, especially, sometimes that transformative sort of process from, hey, we had this sort of material over here, we're using those uniforms that have this meaning, this experience attached to them, these emotional experiences, right? And then we're breaking them down. We're kind of actually physically transforming these pieces that have these memories attached to them and transforming them into something new and different that can, either help us to process those things, turn it into something completely new. And that's kind of the beautiful thing about art, is that we choose the ending of that art product, right? It doesn't have to stay the same. It can be what we choose it to be. And that's a lot of what I feel like goes into this process, is that transformation that sort of happens from beginning to end, which is really neat.
This opportunity here at Touchstone is something for us to do art together, for me to share what it means to create, and for him to be part of my creative process. I am delighted to be at Touchstone. It is a great opportunity to meet artists, to network with artists, to be with artists. I've been looking forward to coming to Touchstone for 7 years since I moved up to Western Pennsylvania, and I'm delighted that I was able to do it this summer, and I hope that I will be able to do it every summer.
To me, it's just fun teaching the craft, meeting other veterans, and it's fun seeing what people get out of it, which can be a lot of different things. Can be political, could be healing, could be historic. So a lot of people bring different focuses and energies to the workshop.